What are the wrapper classes? Well, wrapper classes are just like, for example, integer is just a wrapper about int. So what happens, we can use this kind of way in Java in order to have better way of doing some work. For example, we have a list of integer right here, and we're just adding some int primitive type. This is amazing. You don't really need to convert every type that you have from primitive to an integer object. So it doesn't really, you didn't really need that, because Java under the hood basically do that for you. For example, we have also some features that is being provided by the integer classes, number classes, long classes. You have, for example, this max. This is not available in the primitive type, such as, for example, parsing double, and you're passing a string, for example. Also, integer allow null, so you can have null in integer object, but you can't really have it in the primitive type. This is kind of some feature of the wrapper classes.